Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of this is the grid here. So by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. As you can see, the yellow color suggests that this is turned on. When we tap on this once again we can turn it off. So for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and as you can see it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them, so these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this we go back to the settings in the left corner and tap on this once again. So for now this is turned off and the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.